how's it going? So I'm still in Thailand, but a bit of a change of pace from the motorcycle adventures. I've found myself in what is probably paradise. It's the only way I could explain it. It's a little island called Koh Yao Noi, and it's in the Bay Area between Phuket and Krabi, and it is just simply spectacular. It's sort of starting the low season now, so there's hardly anyone else here, and it's just incredible. It's just unspoiled beauty, little hotels and bungalows sort of dotted along the coastline, and yeah, I'm feeling pretty relaxed. I mean, as you can see, we have this entire beach to ourselves, and then if that wasn't enough to convince you that this is probably paradise, this is the view we've had all morning here on the beach. Now, being an island, there are a multitude of beautiful beaches, but to be honest, I think we found one of the best ones here. This is called Pasai Beach, and yeah, it's amazing. The bungalow we're staying in is just over there. The restaurants and bars along the waterfront, and it's just incredibly peaceful. It's quite easy to get here. We just took a boat from Krabi, speedboat, took half an hour, 600 baht. I believe there are also passenger ferries that come over this way. I don't know how long they take or how much, but we decided to take the speedboat because, I don't know, it was fun. There are a couple of islands. There's Yao Noi, where we are, which is a bit small, and there's Yao Yai, which is, I think it's over there somewhere. It's a little bit bigger, but yeah, if anyone's looking for a beautiful, peaceful sort of escape, this is as close to paradise as I think I've been in quite some time. And just a 5-minute scooter ride from those incredible tropical beaches. You can be in the middle of the old rubber plantations that dot the island with their abandoned buildings, as sort of a sign of the times gone by. And as you can hear, it's only the sounds of the crickets, the animals, no other human life. And I'm literally 5 minutes away from the hotels and bars on the foreshore there. Dotted throughout the plantations, also the old methods of production, old hand-driven presses. There are also about 8 billion mosquitoes, so I'm gonna get out of here. also a number of little villages that dot the island. If you ride around, you just come across them every couple of kilometers or so, and they all look like they're just set up for local life. There's not a whole lot of tourist infrastructure. It's just little shops, restaurants, the odd bungalow here or there, but most of the tourist stuff's down on the coastline. They're wonderful. I need to get some fuel, so I noticed a pump back here. I might go check it out. And I've arrived back at my little slice of paradise. So that was a quick glimpse around Koh Yao Noi. Beautiful little island. Great place to come and just spend a very relaxing few days. Seems to be plenty of activities. I noticed some like kayaks for hire. Saw some guys doing a bit of a bike tour around the place. You go on boat trips to the islands, but if you're like me, sometimes you just like to chill out. That's a perfect place for that. Easily accessible from Krabi, like I said before, half an hour in the boat. It is a bit more expensive than other places in Thailand, accommodation and food and drinks and things like that, so expect to spend a little bit more, but still. When you got views like that for free, spending a little bit more doesn't really matter. Anyway guys, it's been awesome, and I'll catch you soon.